What's up, athletes? Welcome to this full body workout routine for beginners by Culfit. This is Rajan here, and I'll guide you through this perfect hand-picked full body workout routine for you. I have got 6 movements for you, so I'll be performing all these movements along with you. We got 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off, okay? The best part we have that we do not need any sort of dumbbells or equipments to perform all these movements, but in case if you have those, you can just incorporate with the movement and it will become more intense for you, okay? So this can be performed from your comfort of your home. So that's the main advantage of this workout. This full body workout is perfect for beginners who want to begin their fitness journey. Even those who have some experience in fitness, you guys can ace this workout by increasing the intensity or by adding up some sort of weights in the movement. Okay, so without delaying any time now, let's begin our workout. So the workout is going to be 10 minutes of AMRAP. So in that 10 minutes, you have to perform as many rounds as possible. Okay, so I'll just quickly tell you the movements and the counts of it. So we have 10 counts of squats, 8 counts of butterfly sit-ups, 6 counts of push-ups, 4 counts of high plank renegade rows, and 2 counts of burpees. Okay, so we'll start with your squats first. So we have 10 counts of squats. Okay, so let's go along with me, guys. So your feet needs to be under your shoulder, toes pointing out. Let's get started. Squat, come down. Squat, come down. Keep moving with me. You have to do 10 counts. Okay, keep counting. 6 done. Keep breathing. 2 more. And we are done. So if you want to take rest, you can take few seconds of rest, or you can straight jump for 8 counts of butterfly sit-ups. So you're working on your core, your abs over here. Lie down, come up, touch the ground. 1, 2. Well done, guys. Keep moving with me. 3 done. 4, 5. 3 more to go. 2 more. Last one. And done. We are done with your sit-ups. Now we got your push-ups. 6 counts of push-ups. We are working on your chest and triceps over here. Again to the high plank. All the way down, all the way up. 2 done. 2 more to go. Now from there only we'll go for high plank rows. We'll be working on your obliques and your back over here. High plank, palms under your shoulder, hip down. Pull your hands towards your rib cage. So right below the rib cage, you're gonna pull. 2 done, both the sides. Keep breathing. 1 more to go. So we are done with 4 counts of renegade rows each side. Now we'll go for the burpees, okay? You're gonna stand straight, go down, touch your chest and thighs on the ground. Jump forward, jump up, go down. So that was your 1 round. We'll straight go for the next round, okay? In case if you need rest, you can take rest, or otherwise you can just start with the squats again. 10 counts of squats. Let's go then. 3 done. 4, 5. Keep moving. 5 more. 6, 7. Keep going back straight. 8. 2 more to go. Look straight. Yeah, look at me. We are done over here. And now we'll go for the sit-ups again. Lie down. In case if you need rest, guys, again I'm telling you can take rest whenever you feel like. 2 done. Squeeze those abs muscles. 3 done. Keep your chest upright when you come up. 4 done. 3 more to go. Keep moving with me, guys. 2 more. We are done. We'll again go for the push-ups. 6 counts. Again, if you need small sip of water, have it. If you need some rest, catch your breath. Get back to the position again. 6 counts of push-ups. Okay, guys? 2 done. Take your chest all the way down. 2 more to go. You're done with your push-ups. You go for the high plank rows. So as you know, we are doing 4 counts, okay? 4 on your right, 4 on your left, alternate hands. Palms under your shoulder, look straight. Stay on your toes, guys. Imagine you're holding a dumbbell in your hand. If you have dumbbell, you can hold the dumbbell as well. 2 more to go. Keep breathing when you pull. Last one. So you're done with your plank rows. Now we'll go for the burpee straight after that. Touch your chest and thighs, okay, every time. We're done with 2 rounds. We'll again go for the next round. Maybe you just want to catch your breath, like I feel like. I'll just quickly just take for 5 seconds, I'll just catch my breath and start again, okay? You can do the same thing with you as well. We are going for 10 squats again. Squeeze those glutes, okay? Keep moving, guys. Come on, give me 10 counts. Very good. Very good. I'll also join with you. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. There's nothing wrong if I'm stopping. It's about you, how you're pushing yourself, okay? I'm just getting a feel of it, how it feels. Come on, I have 3 more to go. And done. Well done. Straight we'll go for the sit-ups again. 8 counts. Now you can slightly speed up, okay? 3 done. 4, 5, 6, 2 more to go. 7, nice one. Now if you can see, I'm just moving fast, okay? I'm not taking any rest in between too much. Push-ups. 2 done. 3, speed up a little bit. 4 done. We'll go for the rows again, okay? Those who are doing the journey, your fitness journey is for after very long, take it slow, okay? You can slightly slow down if you want, but those who are used to with the workout, those who have been doing for quite long, you can add weights or you can speed up, guys. 3 done, both the sides. Burpee straight after that. Straight squats, squats, squats again, guys. Squats, 10 counts of squats. Let's go. Make sure hip goes all the way down, okay? Just below the knee if you can't go all the way. 5 done. 3 more to go. Squats done. Sit-ups. So this is the advantage, okay? In 10 minutes, you can do a lot of things. It's just how you keep moving. 2 done. 3. Breathe out when you come up. 3 more to go. 2 more. Come on, athletes. Again, push-ups. So this is fun workout, guys. You can slow it down, pace it up according to your own need, okay? Look forward, guys, okay? 2 more to go. You can slightly drop down your knees, shake your arms, and then again get back to high plank. Hip down, okay? Make sure you're not pushing your hip up. Your hip stays below the chest line. And palms right under your shoulder. You can keep your head slightly ahead of the palm line to get a good stability. 1 more to go. Stand up, straight go for the burpees. Get down. Touch your chest and thighs. Jump forward, nice and easy. Be light on your feet, guys. So we are done with few rounds over here. So if you want to take rest, okay? If you want to grab some water, if you want to keep moving, no harm, okay? Before we move on to the last round or last few minutes of your 10 minutes, I invite you to try out our CultFit app. Here you can work out with more trainers like me. You will enjoy and they will help you to guide you in your fitness journey, okay? If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below. You will get free access for 7 days, guys. You heard me right? You'll get free access for 7 days. Okay, so now I'll just go with your last round with you guys. Okay, to start with the squats again. So we have 10 counts of squats. Let's go. 3 done. 4, keep moving. 5 done, halfway there. 6, 7, push your knees out. 8, 2 more, hip down, squeeze your glutes. Last one, chest up. Done. Let's go for sit-ups again. You can press your feet together. If you're finding it harder, you can come up just halfway, okay? No need to go all the way up. That's totally fine. If you can, well and good. 3 done. 4 more to go. Try to keep your spine straight, okay? 3 more to go. And 2 more. Last one, guys. Okay, maybe I have done few extra. That's totally fine. You can do extra reps, but not less than that, okay? We'll go for push-ups again. Come on, let's pump those chest and triceps. 1. Good. You can drop your knees down if you're finding it harder. Totally fine, okay? If you can see I have dropped my knees, you can do that as well. 2 more to go, okay? Whenever you feel okay, you can lift your knees up. No problem. So it's totally fine if you want to scale down or scale up the options that you have, okay? Now we'll go for the high plank rows. Even for the high plank rows, I know we are coming to an end. You must be getting tired. I know that. That's completely fine. That's why you can put your knees down, but try not to stop, okay? 1 more to go. And done. We'll go for the burpees. Okay, let's do the burpees. You can step back, step forward, avoid the jump if you're tired, but again if you feel good, go down fully, pace it up, okay? Well done, guys, well done, well done, good job. High five. It was a great work for 10 minutes. I know 10 minutes sounds a little short time period, but it's not. If you push yourself, you can get a lot out of it, okay? You can add this workout 4 to 5 times a week, and you can see the progress, that whether in 10 minutes how many rounds you have finished. So it will be always a different rounds, okay? So you can see previously maybe you have done 5 rounds, 6 rounds, or maybe few extra reps. That's how you're gonna check the progress of yourself, okay? And also remember, no good workout can outlast a bad diet. So eat healthy, include enough protein in your diet. Keep a tab on sugar intake, how much you are taking, how much you are avoiding. So keep a track of that efficiently and drink plenty of water, okay? Make sure you get sufficient sleep. So let your body rest and recover at the same time. Let us know in the comments below how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our Culfit YouTube channel. Please like the video, share across with your friends, your family. Save the video if you want, either in watch later or create a new personal playlist of your own workout. Subscribe to Culfit channel if you haven't already. Go and hit the bell icon and never miss a video from us, guys, okay? So cheer, guys. This is Rajan here. I'll be there with you soon with great workout, and we're gonna kill this workout together, okay? So till then, take care. See you guys. Bye-bye.